Hey everyone, I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Cloud. We are excited to announce the latest release of Fogwing CMMS version 2.20, bringing you powerful new features to enhance your maintenance operations. To further improve your experience, we have made several enhancements. The engineer dashboard now displays recent work history, making it easier to track who is working on what in real time. The execute work order page has been upgraded with more details and advanced filtering options, allowing for better work order management. We have also introduced the trace page in the preventive maintenance module, providing a clear overview of upcoming, scheduled, and completed work orders to help you stay on top of maintenance tasks. To walk you through these updates, I'll hand it over to Prasad, our customer success specialist. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello, everyone. My name is Prasad, and I'm part of customer success team. And today I'm going to show you all the new features and enhancement that we have done in this latest update of Fogwing CMMS version 2.20. So let me quickly share my screen here and show you all the enhancement and feature that we have added so far. So in front of you, you can see the engineer's account where we have done some enhancement. So the first enhancement that we have done is the addition of health score in the asset module here. So from the left menu item, if you click on assets, you can see a new column of health score has been added here, which replaces the TCO column. So the engineers would be able to access the asset condition without needing the actual cost detail of every asset. So they would more focus on the asset condition rather than details about their financials and cost related things. So moving on to the next enhancement that has been done. So from the left menu item, now as you can see, there is an option which is file repository, which earlier was not present for the engineer account here. Only it was present for the manager account. So now the file repository is available for engineer, where they can see all the documents and photos and files which has been associated with the asset at one place, which is the file repository. They can use the filter option here to choose any of the source type. They can filter it out by uploaded date or uploaded by who has uploaded it. So if you choose like source type and if you choose like asset, you can filter that data out, and you can also see that particular data about the work order summary and also photos here. So that way, it will be easier for the engineer to also track about the documentation and photos of all the work orders here. So the next enhancement that we have done is in the engineers dashboard. As you can see in the right-hand side, recent work activities section has been added here. A recent work activities usually, act as a communication, a communication module between the different team members and different managers. And here you can see all the details about the action which has been taken on a particular work order here. And you can also able to see that particular work order here, different work orders and what kind of work which has been done. So simply by clicking on this work order code here, you can see you'll be able to see the checklist. You'll be able to see the work order progress history here. So that way it will be now easy for the engineers to check the update on different work orders here, and it will maintain a seamless communication between different team members and managers and engineers here. Moving on to the next enhancement, which has been done in both the engineers accounts and the managers account here. So here in the execute work order section, you can see that a new information about the type of the work order here, the status of the work order, whom it is assigned to, what is a work order code. So earlier this information was not available, but now for both the engineers and managers, more detail about the work order is available here. Also, a filter option is also added where you can choose you can filter the particular work order depending upon the work order type, status. So if you want to select it by the status, then you will get like which is in pending work orders here. So simply you can filter that and you'll see all the pending work orders first, or you want to filter it out by priority. So all the high priority or medium priority work order will be visible here. So all these medium priority tasks will be visible as you filter it out here. So moving on to the next update, we have introduced a new feature in the preventive maintenance module, which is the preventive maintenance traceability feature. So we'll quickly navigate to the preventive maintenance module here from the left menu item. If you click on the preventive maintenance uh, module here, and in the option button of any of the preventive maintenance that we have created, you will find a new feature, which is the trace feature now available. So once you click on that, now in front of you, you'll be able to see all the details of the preventive maintenance, starting from the basic details, the asset, and the next schedule. The work orders which are already being created will be available in the next schedule. Then you can see upcoming schedule. So the maximum of 10 upcoming schedule will be available here. So these are the work orders which are in draft state, as you can see here in the PM status. The work order is not currently created here, but if you move this particular next schedule, you will be able to see all the work orders which has been created till date. So February 18 is the last date until the work order is created, and February 9 is included into this upcoming schedule. Now, in the PM history here, you'll be able to see all the completed and closed work order, and you'll be able to see all the details of the particular work orders which has been created, who has work on this particular work order, the due date, the type of the work orders, and everything else. So this is the new feature that we have added in the preventive maintenance module here. So that is all the feature that we have added into in this update of Fogwin CMMS. So stay tuned for more such update and enhancement, which is coming into the next update here. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you, Prasad, for the